Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make a potato and mushroom curry. Vegan, vegetarian, Indian, spicy, easy, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at most of the stuff we're using. So these two, about 3 cups each. That's actually 250 grams. Potatoes, cut them, peeled them, cubed them up fairly small. Mushrooms, regular white mushrooms, just slice them like that. Cut them however you want. 2 cups of fresh tomatoes, 1 cup of onion. 1 teaspoon each here of turmeric, cumin and coriander, and 2 of chili powder. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. If you can get these fresh curry leaves, they're absolutely wonderful. If not, try and get dried. Nothing else really replaces them. 2 teaspoons black mustard seeds, the same amount of cumin seeds, and I'm using 3 green chilies today. You can adjust that how you want, and I'm going to put mine in whole. Chop it if you fancy. Let's get to the cooker. So I've got my pan here, as you can see, and in there I've got oil. I'm using coconut oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of that. Change the oil if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the black mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. We're also going to drop in the fresh curry leaves. Like I say, if you can get them, they're delicious. And we're just on a medium heat. I've just put that on. We're just going to throw these around for about 60 seconds. Perfect. Next up, we're going to go in with our potatoes. Now, my potatoes are raw. If you want, and I sometimes do this, I will parboil them, but today we're going raw. That's why they're going in first. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so, medium heat. So we've just give our potatoes a little head start. Next up, we can add the 1 cup of onion. Cut mine nice and small today. Let's add some salt. And I'm going to be adding my fresh chili now. Like I said, I'm just going to put mine in whole today. If you want, chop them up. Medium heat again, another 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often. Okay, we're now going to add the ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Let's give that a little mix. Then we're going to go with our 2 cups of fresh tomato. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. And then our spices. Let's have one more look. We've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and then 1 turmeric, 1 cumin and 1 coriander. In we go. 5 or 6 minutes now. Really want to cook these tomatoes down. Again, stir every now and then. We might get some moisture from the tomatoes. So those tomatoes are cooking down beautifully. Got a little bit of moisture from them. Now we're going to add the mushrooms, 250 grams here, or roughly equal parts to the potatoes. And again, we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes on this medium heat. I would imagine we're going to get quite a bit of moisture from these mushrooms. Some mushrooms give off more moisture than others. Again, a little stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Absolutely beautiful. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in there. Check it for salt, little mix. Job done. And there you go, nice and easy, really simple, delicious, spicy, wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.